Hi everybody, we are here to review the Apluses magnetic building cubes. This is the 42-piece set that I bought for my 2.5-year-old son. We love all the vibrant colors. We love that it comes with a little instruction manual where it gives us ideas on what to build. So we love following that. One thing I would have to say though, we do have another set of magnetic cubes from another company and the magnets are much stronger. So we're trying to build this little monster set, and this one, if you were to add it like this, it would just fall down. I'm not sure why it is. We just feels a little bit weaker. But other than that, in terms of stacking it, super easy to do. Very good for sensory, his motor skills. We love all the vibrant colors. And then it also comes with a little storage bag after you're done playing. You can store all your cubes in here. So absolutely loves it. I would give it 4 out of 5 stars just because we've had other magnetic blocks from other companies and just felt like the magnets were a little bit stronger. All right, thank you.
Hello, it's DB with the magnetic building cubes. This is great for a child's brain as well as simply to have fun. It's for ages 3+, as you can see. I'm going to be giving this to my granddaughter who is 6 years old, I believe. After a while, at this age, you can't keep track sometimes. They come like this, in this really nice box, and they come out fairly easily. You can take a few out at a time, and it doesn't make any difference which side you connect them to. Sometimes these magnetic ones, they have like a north and south pole, and they won't connect. But with these, it doesn't make any difference which way you put them. They all stack nicely, and whichever way you'd like them to. And besides coming in a nice box like this, which I think is quite giftable with all these nice colors, they give you a bag too, where you can, instead of using the box, you can put them all in this bag. So nice nifty little toy that will provide, I would think, at least a few minutes of entertainment for a child. So I hope this helps you make a decision.
Crushed them with other blocks and they have not broken at all, so I was worried about him breaking them and getting the magnets inside and eating them, but these have not broken at all, and they're really the tiles, even after months and months of use, they're really strong. They're fun to build with. They don't have that like pushback of the polar opposites. They stick. They're really fun, and it was great on the plane because they didn't really fall off the tray because they were magnetic and stuck to each other. So I thought it was really fun. My son had fun playing with them. It's a great toy.
So my son is 3, and these are the blocks that we use when we go out to eat or if we're in a place where he needs a little bit of distraction, but also not make a mess. The blocks have what I believe probably are little magnets inside, so it makes a little rattle noise, and they have a really good stick to them when it comes to the magnets. So this is something that we love, and it keeps them entertained. It also comes with a bag. So this is also really nice, so you're not having to have a bunch of parts everywhere. If anybody is a toddler parent, you know that pieces go flying. So with the magnet, and then just keeping this together, honestly, from a toddler parent standpoint, this has been a really great buy.
So here's my review of these little magnet blocks. I really like that they stick together. They're nice and small, so I was able to pack them up in a bag. I originally bought them for traveling with my little guy to be able to keep him busy, but I've also been able to throw them into our restaurant to-go bag, which we also bring like in the car, to doctor's appointments, all the places where you would love to be able to keep your little busy, maybe with keeping them off of the iPad. So these are great. We've used them at home. We use them all over the place, and I would definitely recommend, especially since it helps your toddler work on problem solving skills and be able to work on their building.
I'm loving these magnetic cube blocks. They're the cutest thing. They feel good. They're a good size. They make a little rattle sound and they connect. And it's so cute. I love them so much. You could make anything. It's just super cool. Like if you're familiar with the Maga tiles, like those are cool too, but I don't know, it's something about these little magnetic cubes. They're really fun.
Cubes today, the 42 pieces. The box is as big as my hand. And if you look at the pictures of the kids playing with the blocks, they definitely don't look that small.
I put this there, this there, this there, this there, this there.
And does it turn around and move?
Yeah.
Because it's a magnet, it doesn't fall.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. But you can fix that, right?
Yeah.
Done a great job.
Okay, so if you, there's like, you can hear, they're kind of hollow inside and you can kind of hear the rattle. So, however, they, you know, I can see why they would be kind of a children's favorite. You know, build.
A chew. We need a chew. We need a chew.